Welcome to watching on Bosco Media Network. This is Molly Sarumbai, brings you the Salesian news across the globe. To celebrate the feast of Don Bosco, the Salesian Oratory in Sigrinola organized Don Bosco Day, a historic day for the entire city community. More than 700 people, in fact, children, teens and young people from all over the diocese of Cerignola, Ascoli, Satriano, gathered in joy and with a welcoming spirit for a gathering characterized by the desire to party around Don Bosco. The activities culminated with a procession that started from the city cathedral, wound through the streets of the center and ended at the Salesian parish Christ the King. After this event in favor of children's rights, play, peace and culture at the Don Bosco Oratory, the celebration followed with games and healthy fun, just as the Saint of Youth wanted. Last January 29th, in an atmosphere of joy and enthusiasm, the Association of Salesian Cooperators of Indonesia celebrated the promise of 24 new members. The ceremony, presided over by Father Andrew Wong, Superior of the INA Vice Province, was held at the Wisma Salesian Chapel in Sunda District, Jakarta. The new Salesian Cooperators were accompanied by many Salesians, information and a large crowd of faithful, mostly from the nearby St. John Bosco Parish, who took part in the ceremony. Thus, the Association of Salesian Cooperators of Indonesia currently has more than 50 members. These most recent promises have been a new blood for the association, which, in line with Strena 2023, hopes that Salesian Cooperators, as the largest lay group in the Salesian family, will continue to be leaven in society. In a situation of chaos and social conflict in which Lima, the capital of Peru, suffers from clashes of political forces due to the lack of agreements, the youth of several Salesian works in Peru celebrated the feast of Don Bosco. Today's news, like those of weeks ago, speak only of the 58 dead, protests and demonstrations in different areas of Lima and Peru's departments. One only has to scroll through the media to be astonished and hopeless, noting the new demonstrations, the roadblocks, the investigations into the deaths of some people. It seems that a solution never comes. After the success of the song Cure Parla All Cure, The Heart Speaks to the Heart, related to Strena 2022, Salesian Father Maurizio Palazzo, Chapel Master of the Basilica of Mary Help of Christians, has composed a musical piece for the Salesian Family Spirituality Days, held in Valdocco, January 12 to 15. The new oeuvre is inspired by Strena 2023's message and is entitled Vita in Noi, Life in Us. Unlike the previous composition, which was meditative and melodic, this one is more suitable for moments of animation, thanks to its joyful rhythm and a short, incisive and impactful versification. In this way, it intends to impact dynamism to the music and to the spiritual message, inherent in the leaven aroused by the Spirit which spreads and brings life. The winter plenary session of the General Council's work ended last Friday, January 27, 2023. After almost 2 months of intense activity, Rector Major Father Angel Fernandez Artime wanted to share what had been accomplished during this time with the community of Valdocco, which hosted the sessions, and he did so with a traditional Salesian good night message. Addressing his confreres at the Salesian Mother House, the Rector Major recalled that from the beginning of the session on December 1st to its conclusion, a total of 42 sessions of joint work of the council members were carried out, thus without taking into account the personal work of each person to study the materials. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.